Miss Paodam yang tabiri ba pai pun mapu taram nok sa pagulay na kurumjari masigi maroy ba Paodam. Chief Minister N. Birenna Shram Yogi Mandan hawdok pagaloy na project kaya amagi urab iyong tamkre. Chalo Panchayat Chalo Ward Abhiyan Scheme ngasi Congress babanda hawdokre. Loy na Thawalda yungang sungpam mama thugay kre. Mapungoy ba paong pijari. Manipur ki Chief Minister Nongthongbam Birenna hai kre. Politician oiba sarkar chalaiba haibasi mioibagi later lairabasingda service fanganbani chawkhat thorang lambi thong sembasi sarkar later ba phawada PR lebadasu tawba yai luribadi miyamgi tungi yai fanaba khanba aduni wafam asinga se palace compound da leiriba Manipur State Film Development Society da Manipur sarkar na sinduna development works ki Lupa crore kuntraga mapal dasmik mga Nepal gi tungan ba project taraga mapal amasung lupa crore chamaga marifu mari dasmik mari mga changadaba project ku Nepal urek yung tamba Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Mandan hawdopagi athoiba mitungi warolda Chief Minister na phongdokibani Council of Minister MLA Chief Secretary DGP tungan ba rank talaiba official singna sarugya ba thoramda Chief Minister na makha taraduna Bharat ki Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi tungi vision yengba ngamba amane mioibegi service pinanaba tungan ba project sing ure uyung tamliba ase lakliba Lok Sabha English ngani taraga mapal laktringaida tawdaba yadaba ama Bharat pumbagi oina pangthokpa thoramni afaba luchingba haibasi karamna diline tawgani tungi khanba ngamba miyangi yaifana ba tawbaduni Chief Minister na makha taraduna miyanggi numit chingi numita mi lakba hanthare ana layeng leibasing layeng card pibadagi hospital da chatkre yum pire mai thale anoba sarkar asigi meeting di atopaga yamna khenana legani matam amada ngagi machinjak mapaldagi leramba adu ngagi machinjak semnanaba machine lakle Praja nungairaga loire Chief Minister na makha taraduna Pradhan Mantri Shram Yogi Mandal gi makhada lupa crore chani kunga mari gi swing machine lising mari bicycle chamanga water tanker lising ani su yanthokre haidi Chief Minister na ngasi urep uyung tamkhiba sing adudi PICT gi Imphal East ta overhead tanker taruk nabar ki senthangda CIC Sapikarong amasong Kangpopi Yurembamda Community Development Block Kamjongi Rihada EMRS Saba aduga tourism da Senapati gi Koide Jahoda Tourist Park Saba aduga mahutki makhada Ima Market Kwakatel amasong Ima Kaitel Kongbani Masida Natana School Building Saba Chingi District Sing dasu yawi
Laboratory yan assistant sing singlung da thadori Kung the Taduli. Maduki plain in Pasado, the Hana in the Bra. Hana Suluina Pasali. But they did not do it, they did not start it because that doesn't have the vision how to serve the peoples, how to reach out to the needy peoples. More the Maduki vision with the concept like here. Motorcycle Tomoga Queen and I see Naran Sankari Gari. Yum the Kungun the Salakana came to the Alamangi, like the Lyra Wana Miami, the taste of the river, sugar taste of the river, any kind of health taste of the river, Hana Torum river. Why? One of the more public people is up to know the book like they were collected.
Congress ki Chalo Panchayat Chalo Ward Abhiyan Scheme ngasi BT Rotalaiba Congress Babanda Hudokre. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC na sinduna ngasi Congress Babanda Pangthokiba Chalo Panchayat Chalo Ward Abhiyan Scheme hawdokpagi thoromda MPCC gi President Gaikhangamna haiki ngasi hawdokliba scheme ase India gi oina Congress ki Luchingbi Sonia Gandhi amadi Congress President Rahul Gandhi na paithalakpa khongthangi makhada India da leiriba miyamgi yaifanaba chawkhat minanaba pandamda paikhatbani hawjik leiriba lenga asina hanna yengbidraba panchayat amadi ward ta leiriba miyamgi chakthung suna phanghanba fangananaba hodopani ngasi hodoliba scheme ase lamdam asigi panchayat amadi ward ta leiriba miyam chapmanana chakpat minanaba amadi chakthong phanghanba ngamlagani scheme ase miyam nasu sawatpiyo haina appeal tokhi Thoramasi Congress ki MLA sing leader sing ward member ke asu sarbyaki
So we really want to question the ruling government that what are the promises they have made and what they have actually given us. After ruling for so long, decide that Congress have done nothing. What we have done in 60 years and they promise they will do it in 100 days. I think it is more than years. They are not able to do anything apart from giving us false promises.
Kundaminariba aikoi maselgi marakta tholakpa fafatagi wathok pumba debate tawduna punna khanaba mathau tai haina Lok Sabha gi MP Dr. Thoksom Mainana phongdokre ngasi Manipur Press Club ta pangthokpa Manipur Debating Society gi mapok numitta saruk yaraduna mahangna hai democracy chatpa lebak amada debate haibasi yamna maruoiba amani Assembly da debate tawduna hiram amagi matangda afafata kaya khanaba haiba asi chanabi amani Parliament Debate tawduna miyang yoiba nauna natragana hanadagi leraklaba kaya bu khana nainabagi chanabi ama leramba du haujikti khara hanthabagumna tawre masi afaba amani haina lobadi langani lenga pairiba kayana miyanggi thabak tawnaba honabada miyangga punna khanaba mathau tai thawdo ama tholapa matamda thawdo adubu sawatba natragana thawdo adugi mayokta leibada natana thawdo adugi waroisin ama loba ngambagi wakhalon adu haujik hawalagliba nahasingda leheningbagi apamba mahangna phongdokpaga loinana hawalagliba nahasingda debating e mahau khanghanningbagi apamba phongdokhi
Ekoi swadi na para kafenwa hena hena akalabu ekoi yang tuna jene mudi tinama awala Desa juga, tapi kui nahi tu bawa dehoga mesin ini sewa menjaga.
Thoramadu Manipur Debating Society ki founder President M. Swarnalata Amadi MU ki former Dean of Social Science KSH Bimolasu Sarbyaki. Thoramadu Mari Lenana Manipur Debating Society na Sinduna Citizenship Amendment Bill CAB and Manipur Haibatimda Symposium Amasu Pangtoki. Thawal District Police ki SP Dr. S. Ibomcha gi meeting makada Thawal CDO gi OC N. Sadanandana Luchingba Nupi Police personnel sing yawba police team amana Thawal athokpamda leramba akibagi masagoiraba foreign liquor sungpham ama thugaiba ngamkhre ngasi Thawal SP office ki conference hall da paumi singa unaba mada SP Dr. S. Ibomcha na haikibada akanaba pawma phangbadagi ngarang ase akhanaba drive ama chathabada Thawal athopam awang lekai deki Thoksom Ningol Changai Mayum Ongbi Roji Chai Kunmanga Mapuroiba CH Badal Kumar gi yumda yamna akibagi masa oiraba foreign liquor maungda saba factory ase thugaiba ngamkibani hari factory asidagi karino haiba masak khangdaba chemical liquor yawba liter kungi plastic jaking tara aduga makoina sajaba local made all mong ram 120 bottle aduga bottle makum lising amaga chamanga umudra empty bottles chani aduga label maming manaba screen printing gi wooden frames tariet aduga black color gi Rolex ink amasung anganga machu gi mahi yawba aluminium gi chapu ama phagat pangam ki haidi SP bom jana makhata na haikibada makoina chathariba Karbarasi matam kharagi mamangdagi chatharakpani hairaduna karino khangdaba chemical sing sizinaduna miyoibagi hakchang sokningai oiba mawongda foreign liquor mana saduna yonbani hairaduna handaksu joradamadi golagata chingba mafam singda sigumba yu thaklubadagi mi sikhibagi thodok lekhrabani ngasi Thawal police na thugariba factory asana miyoy kayagi punsi kalabani haiki Liquor madi drug ki mayokta akanba drive chathanaba Thawal District Police ki officer sing yawba meeting ama pangthoklaba matungda February gi aroiba chayoldagi drive asi chathaba horokibani hairaduna ngarang fagalakliba liquor sing asi yu oina treat taude maramaduna masigi matangda criminal case ama oina lokhalagani haiki fagalakliba polam sing asida kari kari chemical yawbage haiba adusu khangdoknanaba test tawunaba Masigi samples sing so food safety and standard and enforcement wing Thawal district staff sing da sinakre haiki
हेल्थ सोकनी नत्रगा सीगनी है खंगदना मखोइना अखोइगी रम अखोइ फोरेन लिकर सारकांदा योनबने मखोइना तौबसे मखोइ मतम खर सांगना चथरखरे हाबसी अखोइना फंगबा पाउदगी फंगे सुंगबा यू अखोइ लोकल ओइना सुंगगा यामना अखोइना आइडेंटिफाई तौद्रिबा अखोइ केमिकल सिंगजी अखोइ करम्बा मसी थकपा याबरा अदुगा चाबा याबरा हाबसे खंगदबा केमिकल सिंग सिनरगा यू सुंगे अदुना मसीना अखोइ प्रजा सिंगजी याम सेक्शन बियो अखोइ लिकरदगी अखोइ लापना दैसी
All Manipur Working Journalists Union Amjugi member oiriba tongan ba farm da leiriba Amjugi member singna Amjugi membership renewal fee chaliba chahi English ngani taragama palasi ki oina ariba member sing amade fresh member oina sakhanglaba Amjugi member singna matam chana renewal fee thidokna ba Amjugi cherolamana appeal tawakli Amjugi Secretary General S. Nandasingana Thadoropa Cherolman High Membership Renewal Fee as Lupa Chama Duga Freski Oina Lupa Chanini Lagliba March Taradagi Horaga March Ki Kuntramatoi Fawagi Manunda Manipur Press Club the Latuna Tidopio Amjugi member Amana Farm Amadagi Atopa Farm Amada Honki Batarabadi Hoji Hojik Ladyba Farm Adugi appointment letter so Tazin Birakatavani High Nakalamaromda Amjugi fresh member oiba pambiba journalist na Manipur Press Club ki reception counter dagi membership form lobiraga isaisagi press identity card Xerox copy appointment letter passport photo amagaloinana bisilakadabani membership form thajin bagi aroiba matam March ki kuntramathoi hai Ngasi Moregi Eastern Science School da Agent for Social Changes ASOC amadi District Tobacco Control Cell District Health Society Tenopal District Anina Sinduna ill effects of smoking and other tobacco products for school students and teachers haibahiramda nomagi oiba sensitization program ama pangthokre Thoramadu the Tenopal gi DIO Dr. Gojen Eastern Science School gi headmaster K Samo amadi More Block ki Deputy Inspector of Schools di Nekotang Haukibna Mayai Tambal Loduna Pangtoki. Thoramadu the Saruk Yakiba Mahiroi Singda Tenopal District District Immunization Officer Dr. Gojena Resource Person Oiduna Tobacco Chaba Amadi Churuk Thakbagi Mangjaba Amadi Atopa Hiram Kayada Wafam Kayama Fondoki. Thoramadu the Eastern Science School Amadi More the Leba Atopa School Kayagi Mahiroi Kayana Saruyaki. Thoramasi More Government Higher Secondary School the Su Pangtoki Heidi. BJP ki wangang loi CH Bijoy Singana Haikre Communist Party na BJP sing asi fawda communal oiba party ni haina ngangduna lai communal habasi karino haiba tarabati dharmada michang mikhai naiba hanthana yengba adubo communal ni haina lawi wafama singasi nungchil Kanchipur da laiba party asiki temporary office da pawmisinga unabada mahana phongdokhibani mahana makha takibada communist maoist setuna tawriba thabak singasi supreme communal ni Communist na panba Chinada Masjid Church na chingpasing loina thugai ki aduga Muslim singi chakhen thada makoina namduna chak pijare khadang koi khapasing su Chinese military sing na namduna kathatli Quran sing khomlaga mai thado I aduga communist na dharma da yengliba midien sing miyam na yengbiu masida natana Chinada spiritual faluni gong kowa group amalei makoi sing asi farga kidney lotholaga yonthokli Hojik Ladyba Communist asi Shudo Communist ni aduga sengba Communist nate makoi gi revolution di Ladyba government adu thugaina naba sinbani masi makoi gi lutongda loinaraga laglabani haki Thoramadu da saru yakiba BJP State Secretary Laisram Tes Kumar na haikibada haying tang taruki ayupung taramathoi dagi nungchil pung ahum phawbada BJP gi State Convention ama Palace Compound Laiba Chandrakriti Auditorium Hall da pangtholagani Masida CM N Biren Party Asegi President Bhavananda National General Secretary Ram Madhav na chingba luchingba sing saruyagani Convention asida ADC gi member sing corporator sing aduga elected member sing chairperson sing hana mire boikiba miyoi sing amadi party asegi karmi khudimangna saryabiyo convention asida political issue sing aduga state asegi da natana India gi waina chawkhat thorang sing gi matang da su khanagani hairi Nav NCB Home Guard Kangpopi District Police AC Buddha MPS na Luchingba Mangasuba IRB Captain Rachitnath Luchingba 38 Assam Rifles Forest Officer Singh Amadi Revenue Officer Singh Yauba Nabki ASP Saklemba RK na luchingba apunba team amana Kangpopi district ke Cycle Police Station ki manung chanba Hangoipat village da Tharamba Popi Pambi Singh mangan tahan kre team maduna ekar chamaga kuntraga mari rom pakpa Hangoipat ki akoibagi area da Toril Torban amadi Chingkhong da Tharamba mahai oina opium kg lising amaga chahum yankai puthokadaba Pambi Singh adu mangan khibaga loinana hiramasiga mari leinana FIR case amasu na PS na lokhale hari Masi Imphal Morelambi gi khudeng thabi da leiba Taranithoi Suba Assam Rifles ki campus da Taranithoi Suba Assam Rifles amadi Cookie Students Organization More anina khusamnaduna nomagi oiba drug awareness campaign ama pangthokre thoramadu da Taranithoi Suba Assam Rifles ki Major Dr. MD Akbar Captain Dr. S Hogar anina drug campaign gi saru yakhiba mahiroi singda drug ka mari leinaba marik chumba wafam kaya ama phongdokhi thoramadu ga mari leinana Moredagi saru yakiba Dr. Colvin School ki Satra Singh amadi Khudengtabi village ki youth singda career guidance ki topic da Major Nanda Kumar amadi Major SK Yadav anina inkhalakliba Satra Satri oiba singi tungi punsida matik chaba maipakba mioi amamam oinanaba wafam kaya ama phongdokhi Thoramadu da Cookie Students Organization Moregi President Tintang Haukif amadi member kaya amasu Thoramadu da saryaki Punjab ki Amritsar da Longmi Singhna railway track da Thingjin khibadagi yamdrabada train kunmanga cancel tawkhre amadi train mayam amana lambi thaidolaga chalhankhre thodok aduna maram oiraduna Amritsar da lakadaba amadi chakhigadaba mioi kaya ama chatpham khangdana leiri hairi Longmi Singhna taliba demand singi manungda Swaminathan Commission report na recommend to Wasingado Thabak to ontho haibasi yauri New Delhi Amritsar Shatabdi Express amasung New Delhi Amritsar Sani Punjab Express hairiba train ani adu Jalandhar city da panduna leiri hairi cancel tokraba train singi manungda New Delhi Jalandhar Intercity Express Amritsar Haridwar Jan Shatabdi Express amadi Chandigarh Amritsar Superfast Express yauri hairi Jais-e Muhammad Terror Camp da Indian Air Force na sathakiba air strike ki khudam changdam yengduna Congress na Armed Force singbo thakhantana yengle haina BJP na Congress bu maral sidakre Congress ki mioi kharana Pakistan gi maikaida wangang le haina Union Minister amasung BJP ki luchingba Ravi Shankar Prasad na haiki hairiba mioi sing adu Congress President Rahul Gandhi amasung UPA ki Chairperson Sonia Gandhi dagi thaujal phangli haina su makhataki Congress na Indian media report buthajade Minister Prasad na West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee busu hunduna ngangki amromda Congress ki wangangloi RN Singh na haikibada Mikhal gi mangoina na air strike bu lana propaganda BJP na tauri Institute of Government Accounts and Finance INGAF na Global Perspectives on Public Financial Management haibasida sinba Training course da Nepal ki Finance Ministry dagi official kungani thoi saruk yari New Delhi da pangthokpa training course adu Indian Technical and Economic Cooperation ITEC program ni makhada sinbani Nepal ki Finance Ministry na haijarakpadagi sinbani hairi Nepali officials nifudi hanana numit tarani gi training pikre hairi aroibada maroiba pau umuhanna bijari Chief Minister N Biren na Shram Yogi Mandhan Hogokpaga loinana project kaya amagi urabiyung tamkre Chalo Panchayat Chalo Ward Abhiyan scheme ngasi Congress babanda hodokre loinana Thawalda yungang sungpham mama thugaikre ngasi damakta di MS Paodam pijaba matang asida loisinjari miyam mo mohna khurumjari